Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Pilot tail light. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Open the tailgate and remove any cargo blocking access to the tail light area. Use a trim tool to gently remove interior panels, exposing the tail light fasteners. Keep screws and clips in a small container to avoid losing them while you work. In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Pilot tail light. With the interior panel removed, use the proper socket to unfasten exterior bolts holding the lens. Carefully pull the lens assembly straight out until tabs clear, avoiding twisting motions that can snap tabs. Have a second hand ready to support the lens while you reach behind and disconnect the wiring harness using firm, even pressure on the connector release. In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Pilot tail light. Quick recommendation. If you want a simple book that changes how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth for clear, practical advice and a few laughs about saving versus spending. If this guide is useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Pilot tail light. Remove the bulb socket by twisting it counterclockwise and pull the bulb straight out. If replacing the entire assembly, swap it in and align all mounting tabs before securing bolts. Reconnect the wiring harness and temporarily reconnect the battery to test brake, turn, and reverse lights. Once satisfied, reinstall interior panels and double-check that all fasteners are snug.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.